Royal Greenland proudly presents Nutaaq cod. Nutaaq means new in Greenlandic and represents a new high-quality standard in frozen cod that preserves the qualities of a freshly caught cod. The unique Nutaaq quality is achieved through close collaboration with local fishermen and an innovative upgrade of traditional cod processing. The result is a fresher, brighter and tastier cod experience. Nutaaq cod is wild caught in the fjords and coastal waters of Western Greenland from May to November. The cod swim into the fjords in early spring to feed on the large abundance of caplin and to spawn, and they stay until the winter sets in. Nutaaq fishery is a small-scale traditional fishery where the fisherman places his net next to a rock outcrop and traps the live cod as they swim along the rocks. A key innovation in the new process is when the fisherman empties his net traps directly into Royal Greenland's net cages placed close by in the fjord. The cod are gently pushed from the net trap and into the cage without leaving the water. When the cage is full, the fisherman gives notice to Royal Greenland, and the emptying is planned around 10 days later when the fish have had time to slowly empty their stomachs, which makes them more robust for transportation. The Royal Greenland quality officers supervise the net cages to ensure the well-being of the fish and to make sure that their stomachs have emptied. They take out samples from each cage to check the health of the cod and the content of the stomach. The specially designed Royal Greenland wellboat joins the fisherman at the net cage and collects the live cod directly from the cage. The fish are gently pumped on board and led into the sorting system, where the cod runs through a grate, redirecting the undersized cod below 45 centimeters directly back into the sea alive. The larger cod are kept in seawater wells built under the deck. The water is continuously replaced with new seawater to keep the oxygen level high and give the cod the best possible conditions and a safe journey the short distance to the Royal Greenland factory. At the factory, the cod are unloaded into large net enclosures, where they are kept overnight to ensure that they are calm and free from stress. When the factory is ready in the morning, small amounts of cod are slowly led directly into the factory, where they are quickly stunned, beheaded, gutted and immediately plunged into ice-cold water that leads them to bleed out quickly. The controlled bleeding procedure is a very important step in ensuring fillets of the highest quality, because it makes sure that there are no blood clots or red spots in the fillets. Next, the cod are sorted into 5 different sizes. From here, the cod are either frozen whole as J-cut or filleted. The J-cut fish are taken directly to the gyro freezer, and within 50 minutes they come out deep frozen and are packed directly into scantainers of 550 kilos. The cod for filleting are quickly filleted in an automated process and led directly through 3 manned trimming stations where they are trimmed to perfection by hand. The fillets must be pure white and uniformly shaped. Every hour, a quality officer takes out samples after the trimming boards to evaluate the texture, filleting quality, colour and odour. If the fillet is not rated perfectly on all parameters, it will never be graded Nutaaq. In less than 2 hours from when the live cod left the water, the cod fillets enter the freezer. The fast processing makes sure that the cod never reaches the state of rigor mortis, which is a natural stiffness that can arise if the cod is kept too long before being frozen. When the cod is frozen before this state, it retains the flavour and natural moisture of a just caught cod and has a very juicy, fresh and pleasant flavour. Each fillet is individually quick frozen, glazed with a protective layer of water not included in the net weight, and then packed in cardboard boxes ready for dispatch to quality-conscious consumers across the world. Nutaaq cod offers the professional kitchen a reliable and uniform alternative to freshly caught cod. The hand-trimmed fillets are ready to use without waste, and when cooked, the meat loses significantly less moisture than other frozen cod. The red seal Nutaaq from Greenland certifies that the product is produced according to the strict specifications that make Nutaaq cod fresher, brighter and tastier. Fresher, from water to freezer in a maximum of 2 hours. Brighter, the uncooked flesh is almost translucent white and perfectly lean due to the stringent quality control and trimming by hand. Tastier, the natural flavour and moisture is locked in due to the fast processing.